going on, guys? Ryan DeFreitas here, and what I'm going to show you right now is how to set up multiple charts, how to save your templates, how to save your profiles so that you don't have to keep redoing it every single freaking time. Okay, so for instance, I got like 4 different charts right here. Let's say that I want this chart for all of these, for all of my charts, and not only that, let's say I want to add a few more. The first thing you want to do is make sure you view your market watch. Say I just took it off. Go to view, market watch. It's going to show you all the pairs, all the different currencies. All right. Now you want to take whatever. Let's say GBP, JPY. Let's say I want to add this to my chart watching. Let's say I put that right there. Let me fix it. Right. I'm actually going to make 6 just to compress time. Right. So let me get another one. Let's see. USD CAD, and then let's put this baby right here. Okay, kind of fix it up, make it look nice. Now you can have 6 charts, you can have 9 charts, you can have 12 charts. You can have as many or as little as you want. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is save your template. So once you're done creating a template, whatever it is, okay, let's say I want this one, I like this one, I want to save it. You go to template, right click, template, save template, and then I'm going to name it clean chart, if I can spell real quick. Clean chart. Alright, so that's what I named it. So what I'm going to do is right click here, go to template, scroll down to clean chart, click it, boom, got it. Go to my next chart, right click, go to template, clean chart, or whatever you named it as, boom, got it. I'm gonna go to this one, clean chart, boom, got it. Okay, so now you don't have to redo all of your charts. You save it as a template and then open it in other charts as that template. Okay, now this one, I have like harmonic patterns and different stuff over here, so I want to keep that one, right? For this pair, I leave that there, and then now you have your setup, so you can set it up very easily after setting it up one time. And then what you want to do after everything is said and done is save it as a profile. Now, profile is different to a template. A profile is the combination of all these chart setups. So you hit file, profile, save as, let's put clean charts. You hit OK. Alright, so once you save it as a profile, this is like your setup. So literally, if I hit like a different, let's say Swiss franc, it would be a completely different setup, right? So I go back to, where is it? Clean charts. Boom. Alright, so you can save your templates, which are the individual charts, and then you can actually save your profiles, which is the combination of all of them. Alright guys, so just want to throw that quick tip to you guys. Like I said, if you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe to my videos. Got a whole lot more coming out. Happy trading, guys.